Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're looking at Home Workshop and Tool Handybook by Edwin P. Anderson. And this is actually a second edition from Audel. So here we can see here on the front cover, the title, our author, as well as an illustration of some sample tools in the workshop environment. Turning on to the binding here, again, we can see here publisher, title, and author, as well as a little logo and a reference number as well. Back cover and pricing information at the time. There may have been a dust jacket that is now missing. And we can see here some residue from former price stickers on the cover as well. If we go ahead and open it, here's actually the sample price sticker from Grant's department store for the low price of 99 cents at the time. And looking at the interior of the back here, you can see here the order guide for other Audel books and price information at the time. Let's go back to the title page. So here we see Theodore Audel and Company, a division of Howard W. Sams and Company, Inc., which then leads us to our copyright information. So the first printing was in 1973, and this is the second edition. And then we have our forward, and then table of contents goes across several pages. And then we will actually get into the text and other information as well, diagrams and some stock photography and tabular information as well. But just taking a quick look at Home Workshop and Tool Handybook by Edwin P. Anderson, and again from Audel. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.